Well, good morning and welcome to another BarterSanDiego.net video. In today's video, I just wanted to talk about the website. I wanted to make a quick introduction and well, tell you a little bit about what I'm trying to build here. So, first off, I'm one of them SEO expert types that ranks content on Google, Yahoo, and MSN, or actually, it's not MSN anymore; it's Bing. Really, I have a lifetime of skills, so I'm going to participate in this service for a little while, and then I'm just going to leave it be something that's more of a San Diego listing type service. And so what I'm really offering here is the opportunity to local businesses and homeowners that have services they want to offer to the San Diego area. And this website is completely do follow. If you don't know what do follow is, a do follow website is a site that has active links that actually point to other similar or related content, and those links are active. They're do follow. So Google recognizes those as having some kind of link juice that passes to the websites that are listed or linked to through the site. So what I'm offering here is real simple. I'm offering an entire page of content to each business that wants to list themselves here. Now, you don't need to be into bartering to participate in this service. It helps, to create, a page, talk about bartering, but this is not a barter bank, okay? So this is not a barter network, where you can bank dollars. Your trades are completely, structured for you to trade with somebody else. All right. So either they contact you or you contact them. I don't facilitate the trade. I will provide some kind of contract that I'm working on. There'll be a tab where you'll be able to download a contract, and I highly suggest that any deals that you make with other listers here on this website or with anybody in the general world, that it's under some kind of contract, like a proposal or whatever you want to call it. But I'll provide some kind of basic paperwork here shortly as this site grows. So, what makes this a little different from other possible pages or listings? Well, first off, whenever you're doing SEO, having a link from another, let's say you're a local business, so having links from places that are not local really are very less relevant to Google. So if you're in the San Diego area and you create a full page ad here on this website, you're going to be getting a very demographic based link to your website. So that has great value for you. Also, your page can contain whatever content you want it to contain. You should consult with me a little bit. If you don't know what keyword phrases your consumers are searching for to find your service, you should consult with me and find out the top 5 phrases that consumers are searching for to find your competitors and to find your services. That being said, your profile can have a video on it, can have pictures and written word. You can have links to your social networks. Really, you can have multiple links. So a link to your website, a link to your Facebook. If you're on LinkedIn, you can have a link to your LinkedIn. What I'm going to need from you is the full HTML, the code, so I can paste it in here and create a page for you, and then we'll do some little tweaks, and we'll make sure you're happy with everything. And your listing will be, for those that get involved, let's say the first 100 people that get involved with this website, I'll charge you $49.95, and that will be a lifetime, lifetime deal. You'll have a permanent inbound link to your different services. You'll get one free update, where you can send me some new HTML and update your page. And also, another great thing about a highly targeted website is that right off the front page, I'm going to create a whole bunch of different sections. And at this point, it's not really alphabetical. maybe I'll have like a home services section rather than handyman, painting, plumbing. But for now, I think I'll keep it all very specific. So if you're a handyman, you'll get a link here, that'll have your company name and a link to your page. That's an internal page on this website. Then from that page, you'll have active links to your different to your actual website, to your social networks, and you'll be able to list your phone number, whatever you want to list. And if you're interested in bartering, people can contact you and present to you what they want to barter with you for. And then you have your choice, accept it or reject it. And then just kind of go from there. So right off the front page, you'll have a link to your internal page. And then that internal page, I highly recommend that you have some kind of video, some kind of picture, and then, written word that is targeted, keyword targeted to your niche, whatever it is that you offer. I hope you find that very interesting. This could be a great opportunity, and again, that $49.95, I'm willing to barter with you. If you got something that I need, I've got a whole bunch of stuff here popping up on this Will Barter for tab, but I'm going to restructure this entire thing. So there'll be a blog, there'll be a links section. You'll get a link there too. That will either be here in the bar, or it'll just be in the background of the website. Also, you have the opportunity, to have this information, your page, posted to our, Facebook group, which you can join and participate in. Your video, if you don't have it hosted already, you can gladly, I'll upload it to our YouTube channel. And the same deal, you have some pictures. I highly recommend you create your own Pinterest account, but I'll happily work something out with you to actually list all your images on this Pinterest account and under your own tab. And then I'll give you some tips and tricks on how to actually embed links into your Pinterest pictures, which is very, very important. Also, if you're somebody that writes articles and you're here in the local San Diego area, or you have content that is San Diego based, I would be happy to publish it for you. That content needs to be unique, which means that it cannot be published anywhere else on the web. So as long as you write a unique article, and again, it should be keyword based. All internet content should be keyword based, and I will happily post it here. I'm going to create a blog section. Also, I'm going to have some kind of shopping cart, probably based through the Bonanza system. If you're not familiar with Bonanza, Bonanza is an online marketing place just like eBay, except for, well, it was free to post. It's been a couple years since I've done the Bonanza thing, but I'm going to be setting up a Bonanza shopping cart and a Bonanza online system where you'll be able to sell goods and services. I'm not sure how that's all going to work just yet, but all things that are in the works and that I'm going to build towards here. So hopefully you find that interesting, and I welcome you to bartersandiego.net, and please give me a call. This number here is probably going to change. Right now it's a Florida-based number, but as I get more and more acclimated to this area, and I'm new, I came from just across the country here about 3 weeks ago, so this website's fairly new, and as it grows, I think it'll be a great resource for the local San Diego area. So thanks for watching. I hope you'll participate in this little project, and have a great day.